Millennials say they broke, then spend $7 on avocado toast.
Oh.
Millennials say they hate student debt, but order Starbucks daily. Millennials say can't afford house, but buy $900 iPhone yearly. Millennials say they tired of capitalism, then buy Funko Pops. Millennials say they broke, but pay for every streaming subscription.
Right.
Millennials say they need therapy, then tweet instead. Millennials say they want peace, then argue on Facebook all day. Bigfoot truth, human logic silly. Follow for more forest jokes.
Ah.